packet or 2 gallons of water.
1 packet of sanitizer, 2 gallons of water.
I was so I got 2 gallons.
Like him halfway. Like when you yeah. So no need like that for it. That's a good thing.
So we just pour it in, but we're gonna leave that little tube thing out because you don't need that when you're cleaning. That should start to fill up in the front there. We turn our power switch on. Okay. So right now it says it's in sleep mode. It'll always start in sleep mode, which is basically, it'll keep the auger spinning to keep the product turning, but it won't turn the refrigeration on yet. The refrigeration will come on, but it'll only cool this. It won't cool the cylinder yet. It's only gonna cool the top part here. So what we wanna do is just press the clean, and it'll go into a 5-minute clean, which is just, this one is just washing around and just doing the sanitizer and splashing around in there. And like I said, you just take a clean rag and just kind of wash it in here and kind of run around the outside of the edges.